What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. Now, if that's something you like to listen to, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you just like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content get out to a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. As a reminder, don't forget to hit that notification bell to get the latest alerts on all the content that we drop on the Credit Plug channel. So the other day I put out a poll on what types of videos you guys would like to see, and number one was credit unions, but number two was fintech. So today's review, I decided to review a new fintech that I think a lot of you guys will definitely be interested in. So a couple weeks ago now, I did a review on Grain, which was a no credit check line of credit, and it's basically blown up since. I know a lot of people have signed up with Grain, and Grain actually reached out to the Credit Plug channel to talk about an affiliate type of relationship. So that's still kind of in the works. But anyways, I wanted to share this new fintech company with you guys because it's, I would say, very similar to Grain. So this is called Line. Now, Line is a new fintech company based out of Sacramento, California. So they're actually backed by PayPal as well as Coinbase. So those are two of their big angel investors. So they do have some, some heavyweights behind them. So anyways, they have a very, very similar platform to Grain, I would say. They offer a no credit check based line of credit that looks into your banking activity to determine the line of credit to give to you. So things that they're looking at are your incomes and just basically how you're managing your banking relationship. So, you hook up your banking, they'll go through, pull that data out, analyze it, and then give you a limit on the line of credit. Now, one of the differences between Line and Grain, so Line, their line of credit goes up to $500. That's what's been published on their website. It's yet to say if at some point later down the road they will give access to a higher limit, but for right now, that's what they're sharing, that it only goes up to $500. Whereas with Grain, from what I've seen, the highest limit on Grain was $1,000. Now, and if there's anyone who's gotten more than $1,000 on Grain, definitely let us know in the comment section down below. And then another thing too, whereas Grain charges 12% APR, with Line there's 0% APR, so you're not getting charged on any of the amount that you're using. However, they will be charging a subscription fee just to have access to it. So one way to look at it is like annual fee for like a credit card, but just broken up by month. So basically like a monthly access fee, you could think of it. What that fee is, it's yet to be disclosed, so that's something we'll know as time goes on. Another important thing too, right now it's not available through the App Store. However, they do state on their website that it's available through Google Play. I've yet to confirm if that's actually true. However, when I did try to sign up through the website, I was redirected to their wait list. So right now there's a wait list. I'll post a link in the description if you're interested in getting onto that wait list. But yeah, I mean, overall, like I mentioned, this is another product that's, really addressing the need for access to credit, especially for those who can't get credit from traditional major banks. And on their website, they talk about how there's over 100 million Americans who have jobs, who have bank accounts, but they just can't access lines of credit from major banks. So this is another area where fintechs are stepping up. And I won't be surprised if you see some other very similar products like this, where they're giving you this revolving line of credit. And it's different than some of these other advances where it's like kind of one time. This is revolving, so as you pay it, it becomes available to you. And then lastly, what I wanted to talk about with this particular product line, they do offer merchant services in terms of providing Line as a payment option at point of sale. So let's say you have an e-commerce, site where you're selling merchandise or services. You could basically offer Line as one of the payment options. So one of the reasons why this is a great thing is because it can increase your sales conversion, especially sometimes when someone gets to the end of the checkout and their credit cards decline. By offering Line, which is just looking into your banking data, it's a higher chance that you're going to get approved for this. In fact, I haven't really seen anyone get denied from even like grain. I haven't really seen too much of that. If anyone did get denied, it may be because they don't have enough banking data, or maybe they just opened up their bank account. But this is going to be a very, very useful tool in order to help increase sales, because by having that line, then customers will then be able to purchase merchandise or services, and then they would just have to pay back the line at some point. But overall, I think this is going to be a great product. Again, from what I've seen, it's not currently live, but you can get on the wait list. And if anyone's had any experience with the line of credit, definitely let us know in the comment section down below. And until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.